Good morning, choppers. Choppers. Hope everyone is well. I hope you're all good. Hope we are all good. Last day of the month. You know how I do my things on the last day of the month. Very, very careful. I actually don't like trading on this day, right? Because in most cases you're most likely going to be trapped for the new month. That's the only issue. That's the only issue I have about trading on a day like this. Hope everyone is doing well today. If you just join us, you know what to do. Smash that like button as soon as you can. Right, German 40 currently trading at 21,793. I think we're possibly going back to 21,800. That is just my take on German. This is my analysis from Wednesday. Remember on Wednesday I said 21,500 will not hold. We're just going to smash through it because this will act as a major resistance, and that's why you're going to have a lot of orders there, especially with this rejection candle here. A lot of retail traders, they like trading like this, and that's when they get trapped on the wrong side. So we smashed through it. However, we anticipated 21,800, and yesterday we reached it out at 21,800. So today in the morning session I was saying to the choppers funded, look, we can look to go to the upside again on German 40. Gold is quite interesting. I have a bit of a messy chart there. For those of you yesterday who took this buy here, you should have hit your TP by now. Remember we spoke about gold on Wednesday. We break retest $2,750 an ounce, go to the downside. Safe way to buy is to be above 2,780, then you can go to the upside. So as you see, we just smashed through that 2,800 mark. So this morning I was saying to them, if you want to reload more positions, maybe at 2,791, look to take gold to the upside. So still bullish on gold. NAS 100. This is a picture perfect setup. If you joined us on the live stream on Wednesday, you would remember we said break, retest, rejection candle there, buy at 21,300 and take NASDAQ to the upside. And as you can clearly see, it went through now, trading at 21,636. Beautiful stuff on NASDAQ. But yeah, we are still bullish today on NASDAQ. US30. We marked this on Wednesday just before the stream ended, 45,052, to say we highly doubt it's going to hold, so still bullish on it. I think we're just going to smash through this major resistance there to the upside. That's my take on US30, so bullish on it. So yeah, most of my setups are bullish today. Euro dollar. So I was saying to the choppers funded in the morning that if you go below this level, don't sell here. Most probably look to sell at $1.04 at 786 retracement. Then you can go to the downside. So short-term bullish there. British pound USD. Same setup. I was saying you break below, look to go to the upside inside the box. The only thing about British pound USD is that it's trading sideways, right? So we are still playing within the box. So we need to see if we break above it or below it, right? So I will say on this one, we're just going to be on the sideline until we figure out what is really happening here. Right, that's British pound USD. AUD USD. So today again we're looking to reload positions on AUD USD. I was saying to them buy at least at 62 cents to the upside there. So didn't really get much of an opportunity there, but yeah, we'll see during the trading session what's gonna be happening there, and then we can always take it from there. It's not a train smash. WTI, I'm looking for buying opportunities. As you know, I got stopped out on WTI. My buy was here. I got stopped out yesterday, but I want to see if I can climb this train again, maybe at $72.56 per barrel there on WTI. All right, let me know what is it that you are looking at this morning. What is it you are trading this morning? Let me know in the comment section there. Roger is asking if we can have a look at USD CAD. We're gonna have a look at it shortly, my good sir. What is this on CAD? Was this BOC? Almost 200 pips. Well, Uradile, my friend, what I can say is that this thing is still consolidating, you know. This spike here, don't really pay too much attention to it, because I think it's got a lot of people in. POC is here at one Canadian dollar 43. So as long as you're playing within this price here, one Canadian 44 and one Canadian 42, then you don't really have much direction going on, unless on a lower time frame you can find something to buy there. But I would say if you get below the POC, maybe you can look to go to the downside. That's my take on USD CAD. That is just my take on USD CAD. But let's not forget to like the stream. I want to get something on this gold to buy. I want to get something there. Y'all are quiet today. Well, alright, my friend, I was supposed to drop that video this week. I had just a very terrible week, man, in terms of work. I'll try to record it over the weekend. I'm even considering, I think the best way now is to maybe have a class with you guys once. Then for those that cannot attend the class, we can record it for them. I'm thinking that is the best way. I think if we can just commit to a day and time. Sang is in the house, Snontat is in the house, Ora is in the house, Danivora25 is also in the house, Geras is also in the house. Good to see you, choppers. If you just joined us now, please do us a favor, like and subscribe. It wouldn't be a bad idea to buy NASDAQ now. I don't think it would be a bad idea to buy NASDAQ now to try to cover that 1% mark. But the question is when it was here. You see, the only tricky part is that this was when? Today. So the question is when it came around this level, was it 1%? Most probably. Most probably. Gold also doesn't look too bad for a buy. Short term. You are above POC. If you just join us, please don't forget to like the stream. Ensure that you like the stream. Jealous is saying, yeah, I've organized the classes February already. Yeah, I understand, my good sir. You know, time flies, man. Like I was saying the other time that, you know, it's December now, the next thing is January, the next thing is, man, time flies. I don't know what's happening. Time really flies. time really flies. So yeah, we'll make a class. Let's rather make a class than for me to commit to a video. Let's rather make a class, because to make a video, it's also time consuming, you know. I had a very hectic week. So yeah, we'll see what we can do, my friend. I really wanna see where I can climb this train here and go. Really wanna see. You see, on a Friday like this, especially last day of the month, you know, you normally go through those vibes where you had a profitable week from Monday to Thursday, chilling from Monday to Thursday, and you lose all of the money in one day today. Ask me about it. I've been there so many times, hence why I don't really pay much too attention to the last day of the month, because I know that's when a lot of people get trapped. So yeah, I want to see, man, if I can grab something here on gold as well as NAS 100, you know. I want to see if I can grab something there, in and out. Just in and out. I can tell you now, not to say that I'm wishing this to many, but I can tell you now that a lot of people that made money during this week, right, the last week of the month, they are most probably going to lose all that money today. I can tell you that without a doubt. That's what usually happens. You have a good week. One stupid trade on a Friday, month end, takes everything you've worked hard for. If I were you, right, if you've made some money and you're happy with profits, if I were you, I was gonna just withdraw. If I were you, just withdraw. If you've made money this month, just withdraw. Don't trade today. Again, this is not a financial advice. Please read the disclaimer down below the description. But if I were you, I don't wanna lie, man. I was just going to withdraw my money today. And if you are here, you wanna make money today for weekend. If I were you, I was gonna wait for Monday. That's what I was gonna do. If I need quick cash, I was just gonna take it in as it is and wait for Monday. And if I were you, I made money, I was going to just take that money, withdraw, same time. In fact, I wouldn't be even on this live stream. I was gonna just go do something so that I don't get tempted. I'm sure I'm not the only one who has been through that, where you've made money throughout the month and one lousy day takes all that money out. I'm sure I'm not the only one here on the stream. One lousy day takes all the money you've worked hard for, man. Very painful. So I wouldn't want you to go through that. So I'm saying again, please do me a favor. If you've made money and you want to make more, don't trade today. Don't trade today. I'm begging you. A lot of people are going to be trapped today. I can promise you that without a doubt. I can tell you that without a doubt. So don't do that to yourself, man. Don't do that to yourself. You know, once you've been through that stage, you know, even you don't want to wake up. You don't want to wake up on Saturday. You don't want to wake up at all. Gold is now trading at $2,794 an ounce there. We are just below our POC level, which is at 2,795. Anything that is above it, I'm still looking for buying opportunities. Anything that is above, obviously looking for buying opportunities. NASDAQ still, I don't think this 21,654 will hold. I'm anticipating that we're gonna break above it. Right, we wanted to sell euro dollar at $1.04, 14. Seems like we're getting that retracement there, but we actually wanted to catch it there. British pound USD also still playing within a box. But yeah, again, like I said, it's a matter of seeing if we break above it or below it. German, wanted to see if we can reload at 21,700 to go to the upside, but it seems like we are seeing a bit of a drop here. Let's see 10:30 what happens, and we can always take it from there, choppers. If it's your payday today and you want to make a deposit and make money for the weekend, if I were you, I was not going to do that. Like I said, choppers, most of retail traders are going to be trapped today. Because remember, on Monday, a new monthly candlestick is coming out. A new monthly candlestick is coming out. And like I always say, every day, every week, every month, every session open, week beginning, day beginning, month beginning, there's always a false move. So if you made money this week, withdraw. Don't be fooled by these candlesticks, you will still find them next week. Withdraw and exit the stream so that you know, if you are not disciplined enough, I was gonna exit the stream if I were you. But if I'm here to learn and try to figure out what is happening and I'm disciplined enough, stay around. But if you are looking for trades, you just wanna take a trade for the weekend, my friend, listen to me, withdraw that money. Check out my latest video, right? Check out my latest video about trading psychology, right? Check it out. I'm basically talking about, as long as the money, listen, as long as the money is in a broker, right? In your broker, right? It's you cannot make plans with it. Only make plans with the money that is in your bank account. As long as it's inside the broker, you cannot make plans with it because that's your investment, that's your capital. Once it's in your bank account, you can make plans. And I'm talking from experience because That is something that I used to do. You find that I have something like $1,000 and it's Friday today. And I'm like, yeah, if I can just make another $200 so that I have 1.2 and start visualizing that lifestyle already that is worth 1.2. My friend, you'll be left with $37 from $1,000 because of you wanted to make $200. Left with $37. So I now understand the cycle. Month end, last day of the month, especially if it's a Friday like this, man, I'm telling you. One direction and it doesn't hold back. And you will find that Friday, you're thinking it's gonna reverse and it doesn't reverse. You see, most of the pips moved in the market happens mostly, not always, mostly on Thursdays. You see what happened here yesterday? This was a Thursday, right? Look at this. Let me show you something. Monday. Look at Monday. Right? This is gold. Right? Look at Tuesday. Look at Wednesday. Look at Thursday. This is Thursday. Look. All this happened on Thursday. So there are people that are already trapped from yesterday, right? Maybe they are trapped here. People from yesterday, maybe they're trapped here. They wanted to sell this as a resistance. They are trapped, right? Means these people are released, right? I don't think they're going to be released now. I don't think so. So check your chart, right? Let me give you this homework for weekend. Check where you are mostly having an acceleration, a serious acceleration comes on Thursdays. You will check and you will see. WTI is also not giving me anything to buy there. This NASDAQ buy I really want it. But I need to get something here. I need this. I need that. Let me ask you this question, right? And this one, unfortunately, is a personal question. I want you to listen to this, my fellow choppers. If you were to get 1 million rands right now, if you were to get 1 million rands right now, and less than 80% of that money doesn't go to your trading account, my question to you is, are you really a trader? So I give you 1 million and you have plans about it already besides trading. The question is, are you really a trader? We all have problems with, please, I know, believe me, I know people have debts, people have this, but if you cannot really take 800,000, remember this is a money that someone just gives you now. You didn't have plans for it. eight. So someone just gives you 1 million now, and you take 100,000 to your trading account, and the rest of the 900,000 you want to do other things. Are you really a trader? Are you really an entrepreneur? Because this is what an entrepreneur will do. He will take at least 800,000 on his trading account, and 200,000 maybe cover other things. Yeah, one will say, but yeah, Mr. President, why don't you take maybe most of it to pay debts and whatnot? No, it's fine. Why don't you take the 800,000, make money? If you really are a trader, take the 800,000, try to see if you can grow it, then pay your debts from that money. Therefore, you are able to survive. Because you're going to take all the money, pay your debts, so what? And one can say, but Mr. President, if I do that and I lose it all, then I will say, yeah, welcome to entrepreneurship. That's what the risk is all about. What did you think? This is not a Teletubby game. It's a game of those that are strong mentally. Entrepreneurs, they don't play it safe all the time. Because I get a lot of people say, if I get money, I'm going to pay all my debts. I hear you, but why don't you put it in your trading account, try to grow? If you blow it, you blow it. It's a risk you took. What if you prosper then? What if that money can change your life? I always live by this motto. Every time I pass a business, whether it's a spaza, it's a grocery shop, it's a petrol station, it's a restaurant, I normally think this business is where it is because the owner had to make a decision. He had to make a decision that was not favorable at that time. So even if you get the rough money now, you can ask me, Mr. President, between a person who has 1 million from rough and a person who also has 1 million from rough, one blows it from lifestyle and one blows it from trading. Which one are you going to have more respect for? Obviously the one who invested in business and failed, than the one who never even had faith in business and invested in lifestyle and still failed. I never regret about money that I've used for business, man. I never regret about it. Because if I won and my business was successful, there was not gonna be any regret. It's an opportunity. Namune say you can't dump everything in one basket. It doesn't make sense. It depends on how you say it. It's a million. It's a million. You know, I was having a conversation with someone yesterday and I was like, the money that I'm making now is not enough. I need more money. And I realized that with the money that I have now, I cannot make more money. That means I need to have another injection coming in and I have to risk that money. She's not that to say I will definitely put some money in my trading account. My only problem is that as of now I haven't traded a $1,000 account. So you see, it goes back to what I always say to you guys, that don't put emotions into, I don't want to say currency. Don't put your emotions into paper, man. And what I mean about that, I say, even if you see, if she's not that you're saying to me you have not traded a $1,000 account, believe you me, I've been there. I've been there where, you know my story, right? That I had watch my videos, you know about this. some family friend gave me money. I was trading $100 there, $50 there. Now I had something like more than $5,000. It was difficult to trade that money. It was very difficult to trade that money because I had my emotions invested on it. And the problem was, when I was trading small money, I was treating that small money in a way that it's small money, right? So I was just focusing on the value I give that money. So for me, if you can master that $50 and $500, both of them is still money. It's only the value behind it, the value we give it, right? If you look at 50 rand and 100 rand, they are both paper, but the difference is the value behind what we say. 100 rand is double that. That's the only thing, right? So if you put your emotions into the I don't know, I'm looking for the best way to explain this. If you put your emotions behind the value of money, right, it's going to be difficult to make money in the long run. So for me, it's, if I trade $100, I will have so much respect for that $100 as if I'm trading $1 million. That's my motto. Money is money. Money is money. It's all about the value you put behind that money. So it's not like that. If, let's say, now you are not used to trading $1,000, but you are used to trading $100, and you had so much respect on that $100, you had a trading plan, you had discipline on it, it shouldn't be difficult to trade $1,000. But if you traded that $100 however you wanted, then the fear of trading $1,000 is that you are going to repeat the same behavior and you might lose it. And that's also something I went through. Trading small money, now I have 2% is 2%. It doesn't matter whether it's 2 million, it's 3 million. A percentage is a percentage. It doesn't change. That's why I'm mostly focused on the percentage of the money I trade, not the actual money, like the percentage. So for me, it makes sense and it takes off the emotion. Because think about it, you are trading, let's say, that $1,000, you are risking maybe 10% per trade. 10% of $1,000 is how much? $100, right? That means if you lose 10 trades, you're going to blow that account, right? And if you look at 10% of $100, is how much? It's $10. So the one trading $1,000 and the one trading $100, they both lose 10%. It's just that this one 10% is lower, this one 10% is higher. But if you just concentrate on, look, I didn't lose $100 only, I lost 10% of my account, then you're not putting emotions on this whole thing. If it's 2%, it's 2%. You lost 2%. You lost 1%. That's why even when you watch news, they will say NASDAQ is down by 2%. They don't normally mention the trillions or the billions lost on that particular day, unless if it's a drastical thing, They really want to emphasize on, for us to get a picture how much 1% is. That's why I always say, never make plans with the money that is in your trading account. Never make plans with that money. It's not yours. Alright, choppers, thank you so much for tuning in. We're just gonna have to leave it there. I'll see you guys on Monday again. Please bear in mind we are not streaming this afternoon. Thank you so much, guys. Really appreciate you guys as always. I'll check you out on Monday. If you want to join my private group and do the money analysis with me every now and then, you can just use the Okta link down below in the description. Sign up and send me a text to say, Mr. President, I have signed up, I want to be added on the group, and I'll add you. And if you already have an account with Okta but you didn't use my link, also text me, let me know, then I'll tell you what to do. Choppers, thank you so much. Have a blessed weekend, and remember, don't forget to pray. Cheers, guys.